This is the Omega Seamaster Planet Ocean Co-Axial Chronograph, model number 232-304-651-01001. The white outer box simply features the Omega logo and opens up to present a light wooden case and a documentation compartment on the right hand side. You'll find the white wallet, pictogram card, warranty card, and a rather thick instruction manual in the side compartment. The high-gloss light wooden box feels well built with a push button to open it, silver hinges and a subtle orange trim around the cream interior. When you lift the inner lid of the box, you'll find compartments for spare straps, tools or cufflinks. And there is a soft cloth case provided to protect your watch if you decide to pack it for travel without the main box. It is difficult to convey the dimensions and weight of this watch through photographs. When you first pick it up, it feels solid and chunky, the sort of feeling that gives you confidence that it really is built to withstand the great pressures of deep sea diving. The steel case and bracelet, mixed with its black face and dark grey bezel, further convince you that this watch was built as a serious sports watch, rather than just jewellery for a fancy event. The large arrowhead hands and luminescent hour markers make it possible to read in low light situations. There is a second hand used as a stopwatch timer, 2 chronograph dials at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions, and a date window at the 6 o'clock position. It is surrounded by a dark grey ceramic unidirectional rotating diver's bezel, which provides a knurled edge for easy operation even when wearing dive gloves. The face of the watch is protected by a domed scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, with anti-reflective treatment on both sides, making it clear and easy to read. On the side of the watch, you'll find the wind-down crown featuring the Omega logo and 2 steel-capped black push buttons. The other side features the helium valve, which is common on many dive watches and allows gas to escape while deep-sea divers wear their watch in decompression chambers after a dive. On the back of the watch, you'll find a clear case back, showcasing the Omega Co-Axial Caliber 9300 self-winding movement inside. You'll also notice the marking that reads SI14, which refers to the silicon balance spring used in the movement. By using silicon instead of metal, Omega can ensure outstanding resistance to shock and magnetic influence in a component that is 3 times finer than a human hair. The stainless steel bracelet is comfortable and fastened with 2 push-button release clasps. On the wrist, this is a chunky watch, and at 45.5mm, it's on the larger side. Having said that, if you like the larger aesthetic, then this watch has a simple yet strong look and the features to match. You can find out more about this watch on our website at www.iconicwatches.co.uk. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more watch unboxings coming soon. Iconic Watches is an online luxury watch specialist, with a dedicated showroom in the High Street of Blackburn where we have been for the last 71 years. We sell 100% genuine watches at discount prices and are a member of the National Association of Goldsmiths. All of our watches are sourced from authorised dealers and come with an original manufacturer's warranty and carry a lifetime guarantee of authenticity. We stock over 200 watches that can be dispatched straight away for next day delivery, and if we don't have what you were looking for in stock, we can order from one of our authorised dealers. Order online today and we can ship it to you with worldwide delivery available. Find out more at iconicwatches.co.uk.